Can a car truly be built to last 200,000 miles or more? We reveal 13 iconic models that have earned their reputation for longevity. Which of these icons matches your style and needs? Watch closely as we unveil these durable champions. 13. Honda Odyssey. Since it first hit the roads in 1994, this minivan has been a top choice for families around the world. Why? Because it's packed with everything you need in a long-lasting, reliable vehicle. The Odyssey is known for its spacious and comfortable interior, offering plenty of room for passengers and cargo alike. It's the ultimate road trip buddy, with features designed to keep everyone happy. From rear entertainment systems to versatile seating arrangements. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos about cars and much more. Who knows what other gems we might uncover? But what really sets it apart is its durability and ability to stay on the road for decades. Many owners proudly report their Odysseys surpassing 300,000 miles with proper care. In addition to its toughness, this van also boasts low maintenance costs, making it a budget-friendly option for families. Their models from 2017 to 2021 are particularly noted for their reliability, scoring an impressive 81 out of 100 in J.D. Power reliability ratings. With its strong resale value and a reputation for safety, the Honda Odyssey isn't just a minivan, it's an investment in long-term peace of mind. If it is not your dream, don't worry. We are seeked all legendary cars that are suited for every perspective. 12. BMW 3 Series. The 3 Series is a legendary vehicle, known for its sporty performance and longevity. This luxury sedan is a favorite among driving enthusiasts and is famous for its lasting between 250,000 to 300,000 miles with proper maintenance. Its mileage typically ranges from 25 to 30 mpg, offering a decent fuel economy for a luxury car. The affordability of the 3 Series is moderate, but its long lifespan makes it a worthwhile investment. While the initial price of a BMW 3 Series can be on the higher end, it holds its value well, especially if you opt for models with fewer miles. In terms of mileage limit, it's not uncommon for a 3 Series to hit over 250,000 miles when properly serviced. Maintenance is key to extending its life, but routine care isn't overly expensive compared to other luxury brands. For family purposes, the BMW 3 Series offers a comfortable ride, but it's not as spacious as some larger vehicles. It's perfect for small families or those who want a mix of comfort and performance. Additionally, the 3 Series has off-road capabilities, especially in its all-wheel drive versions, making it a versatile choice for those who want luxury and practicality in one vehicle. 11. Subaru Outback. The Subaru Outback is perfect for adventurers, combining a tough design with great reliability. This all-wheel drive wagon is loved by outdoor enthusiasts because it handles rough trails, snowy roads, and everything in between. Built to last and ready for any challenge, the Outback is the ideal vehicle for those who love exploring and tackling new adventures. One of its standout features is Subaru's legendary all-wheel drive system, which comes standard in every Outback. This means you get excellent traction and stability, no matter the road conditions, rain, snow, dirt, or gravel. Its versatility makes it a go-to vehicle for people who enjoy road trips, camping, or just navigating unpredictable weather. Models from 2005 to 2009 are particularly robust, known for their solid build quality and reliable engines. With regular maintenance, many Outbacks easily cross the 300,000-mile mark, earning their place as one of the most durable wagons on the market. Add to this its roomy interior and practical design, and you've got a car that's not only dependable, but also comfortable for long journeys. If you're someone who craves adventure and needs a vehicle that can keep up, the Subaru Outback is the ideal companion. If you need more reliability than a Subaru with high fuel efficiency, just wait and see what comes next for the best. 10. Mercedes-Benz E-Class W124. It is a legendary luxury vehicle that is known for its ability to last well beyond 200,000 miles. This vehicle was designed with durability in mind, and many W124 models still run strong after decades. The mileage is impressive, typically ranging from 20 to 30 mpg, which is decent for a luxury sedan of its time. While the E-Class is a bit more expensive up front, the cost is justified by its longevity and excellent performance. Maintenance can be higher than that of non-luxury cars, but many owners find it worth the investment because the car tends to hold its value for longer. With proper care, it's possible for the W124 to reach and even exceed 350,000 miles or more. Its price ranges from $50,000 to $70,000 in the US market. This vehicle is known for its smooth ride, making it a great choice for those who want comfort during long trips. While it's not primarily designed for off-roading, Its sturdy build and reliable drivetrain make it a solid choice for those who occasionally travel on rougher roads. The E-Class is perfect for family use, offering ample cabin space and a luxurious, safe driving experience for all passengers. Maybe you are a family person. Of course you are looking for an affordable, low-cost maintenance vehicle with good environmental impact, isn't it? Yes, your family package is coming. Just sit. 9. Toyota Tacoma. Next is our Tacoma, which isn't just a truck, it's a symbol of toughness and reliability. Known for its incredible durability and off-road capability, the Tacoma is a mid-size pickup that has earned the trust of drivers everywhere. Whether you're hauling heavy loads, working on a construction site, or exploring rugged trails, the Tacoma is built to handle it all. One of its standout features is its ability to perform in tough conditions. The Tacoma is designed with a strong frame and reliable engines that can take a beating and keep going. This makes it an ideal choice for off-road enthusiasts, outdoor adventurers, and anyone who needs a vehicle that won't back down from a challenge. Models from the early 2000s are especially known for their durability. They've earned a reputation for being nearly indestructible, often running for hundreds of thousands of miles with proper care. Because of this dependability, the Tacoma is a popular choice for businesses that need a workhorse they can count on day after day. You are looking for a heavy industrial purpose with high towing capacity. Your legendary vehicle is coming. 8. Volkswagen TDI Diesel Models. This model is renowned for its fuel efficiency and long-lasting durability, often reaching 400,000 miles or more. Known for being one of the most fuel-efficient vehicles in its class, the TDI models can achieve up to 40 to 50 mpg on the highway. This makes it an economical choice for long-distance driving and daily commutes. The affordability of the TDI is another attractive feature, as its lower initial cost combined with exceptional fuel savings makes it a great option for those looking to save money in the long run. Diesel engines generally have longer lifespans than gasoline engines, making the TDI capable of running for many miles with proper care. Its price ranges from $25,000 to $35,000. The mileage limit is impressive for these models without serious engine issues. Regular maintenance, such as oil changes and fuel system checks, helps ensure a smooth ride for years. As for off-road purposes, the TDI is better suited for on-road travel, but its rugged design handles rougher paths with ease. This vehicle is ideal for those looking for a family car or a fuel-efficient commuter, especially for road trips. 7. Ford F-150. Ford is the legendary truck with the highest towing capacity, which has been a symbol of strength and dependability for decades. As America's best-selling truck, it's no surprise that the F-150 is trusted by millions of drivers for its toughness, versatility, and reliability. Whether you're towing heavy loads, hauling equipment, or just driving around town, this truck is built to handle it all. One of its standout features is the EcoBoost engine option, which provides an excellent combination of power and fuel efficiency. It gives drivers the muscle they need for tough jobs while keeping fuel costs manageable. Another game-changing feature introduced in 2015 is the use of aluminum body panels. This innovation reduces the truck's weight, improves fuel economy, and prevents rust, making the F-150 even more durable. The F-150 is also known for its incredible longevity. Many owners proudly report their trucks reaching 300,000 miles or more with regular maintenance. Whether you're a contractor, an outdoor enthusiast, or someone who simply loves a dependable truck, the F-150 delivers year after year. Are you bored? Each of the upcoming cars are better than before, so keep your eye on it. 6. Nissan Patrol. Patrol is a rugged and durable vehicle built for extreme conditions, making it a legend in the world of off-road vehicles. With proper maintenance, the Patrol can easily surpass 300,000 miles or more, and many owners report incredible reliability over the years. Its mileage is about 15 to 20 mpg, which is typical for a large 4x4 vehicle. However, the Patrol's performance and longevity make it a great investment. The initial price of the Patrol can be higher, especially for newer models, but it's a long-term investment. Maintenance costs are reasonable compared to other heavy-duty off-road vehicles, and the vehicle's longevity makes it worth every penny. Whether you're driving on paved roads or rough terrain, the Nissan Patrol is built to handle it all, offering a reliable and smooth ride. While it may not be the best choice for family commuting due to its larger size, it offers plenty of cargo space for long trips or adventurous getaways. The Patrol is an excellent choice for those needing a tough and reliable off-road machine. But why didn't we see a vehicle which has reliability with high durability and strength? Curious, don't you? Let's figure it out. 5. Jeep Grand Cherokee. This Jeep is a legendary SUV that combines rugged durability with everyday versatility. Designed for adventure, this vehicle is a favorite among those who need a dependable ride both on and off the road. From its tough construction to its powerful engines, the Grand Cherokee is built to handle whatever life throws at it. One of its standout features is its off-road capability. With advanced four-wheel drive systems and strong suspension, the Grand Cherokee is perfect for tackling rough trails, rocky terrain, and harsh weather conditions. It's a trusted companion for outdoor enthusiasts who love exploring places where other vehicles can't go. Models from the early 2000s are especially known for their robustness. These SUVs are built with durable materials and reliable components, allowing them to last for years when properly maintained. Many owners proudly report their Grand Cherokees surpassing 250,000 miles, a testament to its long-lasting performance. Whether you're taking a family road trip or heading off the beaten path, the Grand Cherokee offers a smooth ride, plenty of space, and the toughness you need. For those who want an SUV that thrives on adventure and stands the test of time, the Jeep Grand Cherokee is a fantastic choice. Are you looking for a high towing capacity with off-road capabilities? Your vehicle is on the way, and also, it is so comfortable to ride. Surprised, didn't you? Let's go. 4. Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Are you remembering something strong with good durability? Here is your answer. Chevrolet Silverado 1500 is a true American classic, known for its strength, durability, and reliability. Whether you're hauling heavy loads, towing equipment, or driving it daily, the Silverado is built to handle the toughest jobs with ease. One of the key reasons for its long-lasting reputation is its durable V8 engines. These engines provide plenty of power while being designed to endure years of hard work. They're tough, dependable, and capable of delivering consistent performance, making the Silverado a favorite among truck enthusiasts and businesses alike. Models from 2006 to 2014 stand out as particularly reliable and well-built. These trucks are known for their solid construction and minimal maintenance needs, which is why many businesses rely on them for long-term use. It's not uncommon for a well-maintained Silverado to surpass 200,000 miles or even more, proving its staying power. The Silverado also offers a smooth ride and plenty of interior space, making it not just a workhorse, but a comfortable daily driver. If you're looking for a truck that combines power, reliability, and versatility, the Chevrolet Silverado 1500 is a time-tested choice that won't let you down. 3. GMC Sierra. Sierra is a heavy-duty pickup truck that is a favorite among those who need a reliable workhorse. Our high towing capacity with off-road capabilities, which is known for its ability to exceed 200,000 to 300,000 miles, and it is built for durability. With proper maintenance, this truck can handle the toughest tasks without breaking down. The mileage ranges from 15 to 23 mpg, depending on the engine and whether it's city or highway driving. While the GMC Sierra has a higher initial price compared to some other trucks, it holds its value well and is known for its long-lasting durability. The truck's mileage limit can exceed 200,000 miles if properly maintained, with some models lasting even longer. The maintenance costs are in line with other full-sized pickups, making it a reasonable investment for truck enthusiasts. The GMC Sierra is versatile, designed for both off-road adventures and work purposes. It's excellent for towing heavy loads, making it ideal for hauling equipment, or even going on family road trips with a camper. For those in need of a dependable truck that can handle tough tasks while offering comfort, the Sierra is a legendary option that stands the test of time. 2. Honda Accord. The Accord is a true legend in the world of sedans. Known for its exceptional build quality, strong engines, and timeless style, the Accord has been a favorite for decades. It's the perfect car for people who want reliability, comfort, and performance all in one package. One of the Accord's best features is its spacious interior. It provides plenty of room for passengers and cargo, making it a great choice for families or anyone who values comfort on long drives. Add to that its excellent fuel efficiency, and you have a car that's not only practical, and its range starts from $27,000 for base models. The Accord is also built to last. Many owners report their cars exceeding 500,000 miles with regular maintenance, a testament to Honda's dedication to durability. Its stylish design adds to its appeal, blending functionality with a touch of elegance. Whether you need a dependable car for everyday use or a long-term investment, the Honda Accord offers a perfect balance of reliability, performance, and style. If you're looking for a car that will stand the test of time, the Accord is one of the smartest choices you can make. Next comes the last, but not least SUV that we are looking for. The most iconic, highest luxurious safety vehicle with an affordable price. 1. Volvo XC90. At the top of the list is the Volvo XC90, a luxury SUV that goes beyond just offering safety. It's built for incredible longevity. Designed with premium materials and robust engineering, the XC90 is a favorite among those who want a vehicle that's both stylish and dependable. One of the key reasons for the XC90's durability is its strong build quality. Everything about this SUV is designed to last, from the solid frame to the reliable engine components. Models equipped with the 3.2-liter inline-six engine are especially known for their long-lasting performance, with many owners reporting well over 350,000 miles on their odometers. But the XC90 isn't just about durability, it's also packed with advanced safety features, a hallmark of the Volvo brand. From collision avoidance systems to lane-keeping assistance, the XC90 keeps you and your family safe while on the road. Inside, you'll find premium interiors that provide a luxurious and comfortable ride, making it perfect for long trips or daily commutes. From family-friendly sedans to rugged trucks and luxurious SUVs, they deliver unmatched reliability and value. Investing in any of these models means driving a car you can trust for the long haul. So, which of these cars is your favorite? Do you own any of these high-mileage heroes? Let us know in the comments below. Like, share, and tune into our video, Premium Cars That Won't Even Reach 50,000 Miles, coming up next. Don't miss out. Subscribe now for more.